This is the first test of a couple of tests. This test with this gorgeous little device is going to test the Hall sensors. The Hall sensors tell the controller where the wheel is, and that's how the brushless DC motors work, and then power is fed to the main coils in the right sequence. And of course, well, I've got a problem because it's not working at the moment, so I need to test the wheel's Hall sensors. This wheel, incidentally, this motor is nearly 20 years old. The scooter it originally came off, the original scooter, was bought off scrap dealer in Leicester, and it was a bit of potluck weather, but these wheels, these motors are really durable, and I'd be surprised if it was going wrong. And the test proves, if we have a look, as I turn the wheel slowly, you can see the Hall sensors on this line here showing 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, whoops, then 2, and then 1, and then 2, and then 1, and then 2, and that's cycling through exactly as it should do. So I can say that the Hall sensors on this front motor are okay. There we go, guys. That's so much so far. Back in a bit.